Hey guys, I just wanted to give you an update. The motherboard for my PC is coming in Friday, or it should be in around that time. So, whenever it gets in, or probably Saturday, is whenever we'll do the PC building stream. I don't have the SSD yet, but hopefully it'll show up. I don't know, they're also saying it might take until February. I don't know. But yeah, this weekend or Friday or whatever, PC building stream, as well as on Friday at noon, Halo Infinite Firefight video is going up. It's me and Zach recorded it whenever Firefight first came out. So yeah, make sure you're subscribed. Make sure you have the bell on so you get notified of the stream and the video. But peace.